remember how it looks, but where the hell I'm gonna start? Storage, but I need to be able to walk in. What's up guys, so welcome to a new vlog. It's a daily vlog actually, so happy Friday to you. It is Friday, I don't know which date it is, but just know it's a Friday in September. So we got an errand to run today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did in my house, but where the fridge was located, I actually moved it outwards in the living room a little bit. So where the fridge is currently, it's like a little space where I'm gonna turn into basically like a pantry, because I do not have enough cupboard space in my kitchen. So I figured move my big ass fridge that I bought. I shouldn't have bought that big of a fridge, like honestly. First rule of moving out, living on your own for the first time ever: you don't need big furniture. You don't need a big fridge, okay? And frankly, I was gonna buy a 2-door fridge, to be frank. That was crazy. No, 3 doors fridge I was gonna buy initially. Can y'all believe it? On my first time moving out. But if I could go back, I'm not gonna lie, the first place that I probably got would have been like a furnished place or semi-furnished place. So I didn't have to like buy couch, fridge, microwave, all of that the first time when I was moving out. I could have saved a lot of money back then, but that's the past. We're moving forward. So yeah, currently I'm making that space in a little pantry business, so I need to buy like an organizer so I can put my microwave, food stuff, and all of that. So I did find something at Reddy's Mall. I gonna go and check there. So the measurements, I kind of use my feet for the measurement size in my house, in my unit. So gonna go to Reddy's Mall to grab it. However, there's another Indian place that sells furniture and stuff, so I'm gonna stop in there first. If I see anything, if not, I just go get that one in Reddy's Mall. I did see some other people selling stuff online, but it's kind of more money, and the Indian people, Reddy's Mall has it for $9,000. So I think I'm gonna grab that one if the size works. I'm gonna have to measure it with my feet when I get there, and if it works, I'm gonna buy it. If it don't work, I can't buy it because I'm not gonna have enough space. Because I'm putting my I'm hot. I'm putting my stuff in the storage, but I need to be able to walk in there, at least hold in there to heat my food, because I'm gonna put the microwave in there. I'm gonna get food stuff, so I still have to be able to go in that small tiny space in and out to take up stuff. So let's see how this works out for me. Yeah, so that is the plan for today, and it's a Friday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go anywhere. Am I feeling to go anywhere right now? Not really, but maybe later how I feel, or if I get invited out. I don't know yet, but if not, I may just go have a drink. I think I really need a drink because it just has been like a stressful 3 months. I'm not gonna lie, it's been stressful. But anyways, let's get out of here. Yeah, we're getting out of here. The first store that I went in, y'all, I liked it. It was $7.5, but it doesn't have enough shelf at the one that I'm seeing. First one that I went to, I saw this one and it was selling me for $7.5, but with 4 tiers, and this has 6 tiers, and this is $5.5. So the other store, I ain't going back there. But this is the one that I initially saw, which makes a lot of sense. But it's $9,000, but it fits, and it fits the space. So I'm gonna find out if I can get a better pricing. This one I don't like. This one is way too small. This one I don't like either, and it can't even hold the microwave. Very flimsy. Yeah, so I'm gonna find out if I can get a better price. This one, because it's $9,000. See if I can get. Well, can the microwave hold on it? Yeah, it can't. Wait a minute. I don't think it can. Wait a minute. How big is the microwave? Oh shit! I should have taken the measurements of the microwave. Oh, it can't hold at the top, but it can hold at the bottom. God damn it. Now I'm thinking, hold on guys. Listen, anytime you come into the store, you have to just hurry up and shop and come out. It is so hot. There's no AC. I'm so hot. I'm gonna see if I can get a discount on the organizer table. Let's see. We are home. I spent a little bit of time on the road. Actually, when I left the store and grabbed the table, I went somewhere else and went somewhere else. So we are home finally, but I do have some work to finish up. So that's what I'm gonna do after work. Then we're gonna try to set up this. I don't think, based on how it looked, I'm not sure if I showed you guys that, but you will see which one I chose because I think it made more sense because it's a bit higher and broad. The height and width is actually good, and I'm sure it will hold the microwave. So I went with the obvious choice, you know. Wait, I left something else in the store. Hold on, let me see if it's in my car. I bought a bin and another oil dispenser. Let me check if it's in the car first. Y'all would not believe this. So I left the stuff in the mall, in Reddy's Mall. So I'm gonna have to drive back to it. Right now I do have a receipt just in case these people want to play with me. So I'm gonna leave it right now and go back to it, and then later when I'm trying to set this up, hopefully I'll catch you guys then. So guys, it is later down in the night. It's like almost 7 p.m. on a Friday night, and I pulled out the thing out the box, and there is no instructions manual. None. Zero. Not. There's none. No instructions manual. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I did take a picture of it. I remember how it looks, but where the hell am I gonna start? You know, say them Chinese people here a problem. I'm also ask her for a discount. Homegirl give me $200 discount. You see them Chinese people here stay? It's okay. It's okay. That's where I went to purchase my stuff, and that's what it is. The person in the store though, him offered to build it for me. I paid him $500, but I couldn't wait. First of all, it's in Reddy's Mall. Once you come into Reddy's Mall on not the side where Island Grill is, the other side up top. Once you walk in there, you turn right, and that's where the general store is, or yeah, that's where the store is. Number one, I don't have no AC in there, so it's hot. Like you just need to hurry up, look for your stuff, and come out of the hard dash there. So I was just so hot already from leaving from outside to come in, and it was just a disaster, and I couldn't wait for it. And he was building somebody else's table too, so I was like, yo, I can't wait. But what I should have done is just left it there and then pick it up back, come home and pick it up back, because I live in the area, okay, not that close, but I live in the area. So I could have did that, just go back when it's closing time or before they close, and that would have been perfect for me. But child, we're gonna try to build this, so let's get into it. We're gonna try. I definitely need a glass of wine to do this, but I'm on the verge of getting hungry. 2, I don't know what I'm going to eat. I have rice and corned beef in the fridge. I may probably just eat that, because after starting on Monday, I won't be having any rice. Okay, I'm on a rice break. The rest of the rice that I have, I'm bringing that to my mother. I don't want the rice. In the event I'm gonna eat rice, I'm gonna need to eat brown rice. I won't be eating any more white rice, no dressing. Well, yeah, only brown rice. Going forward, I'm gonna try the quinoa wedding. I don't know wedding, but yeah, we're gonna try that one day. But for now, let's get into this building thing. My YouTube is on. I'm just watching somebody randomly that YouTube recommended, and we're just gonna try to fix this shit, cause I can't believe it. There's no instructions manual. Okay, so I know this is the side, and this is how it's supposed to be. This is the side, and then the shelf them would have going in the middle. So how am I supposed to start it first? Child, I don't know. Alright, I need to look back at my picture. I'm gonna figure it out. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna be real with y'all. You see, since this is like a boarding thing, it is so hard to, once I reach this part of it, I have no more strength to let it going fully. Down here too, no more strength to like, it's stuck, like, and then my hands are killing me, and I don't have like no thick gloves I can use to turn it. Like, this is gonna need another strength. This is gonna need like a meal strength. I'm gonna have to ask somebody to come and help me with this, because it's just not gonna work. There's just too, I can leave it like this and set it up, and then the person comes and just tighten it. But at this point, I'm hungry. I haven't even placed the feet yet, so I don't even know if I'm doing it properly. So I'm just gonna be honest, y'all. I'm gonna be honest, this is no longer a daily vlog. I'm just gonna name it probably a daily vlog ish, because this obviously is not gonna be done tonight. I'm not gonna, it's, let me see what time it is. Oh wow, it's 7:30. Yeah, so I'm not gonna even ask anybody right now to whatever. If people got plans, it's a Friday night, so the girl is just unprepared, you know. I showered already earlier, probably around 3 o'clock, but I need to shower again. But I'm starving, guys. So I have actually decided to go out, and I'm actually just going out on a little solo date. It is literally midnight. Yeah, it's midnight. I just feel like I need to have a drink. Like I said, I've been having like a hard few months, so I'm just gonna take myself out. Guys, let me tell you something. Having this hairstyle, I have really lost so much weight where my face is just sucking in. Like, I can't believe it. Look at my face. Like, you guys probably can't see it properly, but it's, wow. Hold on a second. I don't think you guys still can see me, but yeah, like my face, it really looks suck in, skinny, like all of those lovely things. All of those, is it lovely? You know what, I don't know if it's lovely, but it really looks weird. And honestly, I'm gonna pull out this hairstyle tomorrow. It's not giving anymore. I don't like it, and I think it's because of my face. Like, lost so much weight, it's just not fitting my face. So I'm gonna pull this shit out tomorrow, figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I do have some clipping hair, so maybe that can work, but my hair needs to be processed, so I don't know, we'll see. But getting to the fit, heels, baggy jeans, and this cute top. You guys should know this top I wore it at Best Weekend and all of that. But anyways, we need to get out of here. Oh, see that thing? I still haven't fixed it yet, so whatever. Gas station to just get some gas. You finished, yeah?
I can hear the purpose talking. I can hear the purpose talking. I can hear the purpose talking. I can hear the Spanish talking. I can hear the purpose talking. I can hear the words talking. I can hear the streets talking. I can hear the streets talking. Thinking about them licks I hit, I had to. Thinking about the viewers that I had you. Thinking about that cash like it's fast food. Thinking about this cash like it's fast food. I'm paying all my tithes, receiving bad news. Lord forgive me for my sins, I know this cash rule. Everything around me turn to fast food. Standing in the cold, ain't got no blanket. These hoes always